Hi, this is Zann Jones. I'm going to be taking you through the steps I used to make this little guy. He stands about 21 inches and he's made out of steel except for the brass eyes. The brass eyes are attached by drilling and tapping a threaded rod. Quarter-inch plate was used for the ears and the bottom of the feet. After finishing the little guy, I decided his arms were too long, so I ended up using a cutting torch to shorten them. If you want additional information on making this little guy, including the website where I purchased some of the items, it's available on my website, zannjones.com.